Hi guys, it's me again, and now I'm in the kitchen. I'm feeling so much better, and I was not gonna post any video, any vlog for that, but I think my bread is going to be really good. So last night, while I was on my phone in bed, I saw a YouTube tutorial on Turkish bread, and I will post the link below in the description with the recipe for the lady who did that tutorial. And she speaks in Turkish, but because it had English subtitles, I understood the recipe, and I think I've done quite well. I'll show you now. So I'm so excited. I love bread and I love Turkish food and all this history. Anyway, I'll show you. Let me see. So this is the dough I've prepared, and you can see in her recipe. And this is one part which I'm waiting to cook, and it looks, but wait and see the oven. Wait and see what's in the oven. Look at that. I'm not going to I have another 3 minutes to go, but oh my god, that looks yummy. I will, when I take it out of the oven, I'll show you. Hey guys, so I did it. Yeah, look at that. It looks lovely. I'm really happy. I will show you how soft it is, and I think it looks amazing. Yeah. So this is the bread, guys. I didn't have sesame seeds or the other thing she used on the video, so I tried to find in Co, but they didn't have it, so I had to put whatever I found. So I have coriander and olive oil on top, and some of the bread is with chili flakes, some of the bread is with garlic and salt. I used the little one, actually, garlic and herb salt. That actually, it's really nice. And then I used some of the dried onion as well in there, in some of the bread. So yeah, look at that. Look, it's really soft. I think I managed to do it. Yeah, I think I did. Yeah, let me have a bite. Okay, from the bottom one. Look at that. Huh. So nice and soft. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.